The biggest pit. East Serbia. The place where the hills and ancient forests are located in the East Serbia, the soil in history. But there is a secret inside the earth. An amazing and imaginable diamond treasure in the form of mine. It is the biggest diamond mine in Europe, the biggest pit. For centuries, the ground has secretly hidden its wealth. In the 20th century, the secret began to emerge. News about diamonds and researchers. The earth was prepared to reveal its wealth. That secret was revealed in 1948. Soviet geologist Yuri Kabardin, in the quest to know new things, made an invention of changing the fate of the region. He found the first diamond, shone like a shiny lamp to the wealth inside the diamond. This innovation created a sensation throughout the world. The biggest pit is not just mine, this is a statement to the world. This is a testament to the energy of nature and the enormous wealth hidden under our feet. This innovation led to a series of events. Recognizing the value of this innovation, the Soviet government spent a lot of money into the region. The sleeping rural area of East Serbia wakes up. Under the supervision of Soviet engineers, the mine was formed. Heavy machinery began to dig up the land. The biggest pit began to open as an example of human ambition and engineering professional. That mine quickly became popular place. For work, diamond workers flocked to the area. The place was filled with metals, machinery and workers who worked together. The biggest pit is not just mine, that is the workers' fire. Here, humans and machines worked hard for the wealth of diamonds. The biggest pit, a modern engineering miracle. This is a testament to our desire to uncover human ambition and earth wealth. Its dimensions are excellent, a huge valley with a diameter of more than 2 kilometers. The process of extraction is accuracy and a compound of energy. Heavy machinery that can lift tons of soil. Loading diamond mineral to trucks. These trucks take valuable cargo to processing plants. After that, the ore is in a complex process such as suppressing, washing and separating. Whole diamonds, gravity and centrifugal force are separated than the surrounding rocks. This is the process of doing very carefully. The uncovered diamonds are carefully separated according to size, clarity and color. Lightning that have attracted mankind over centuries, the precious stones become valuable assets. The shiny future. The biggest pit does not belong to the past, the mine with a bright future. With the fall of the Soviet Union, the mine went into the hands of private individuals. Today, it is run by the Russian diamond company Erosa. Erosa, who is committed to increase the efficiency of mine, has invested heavily in modernization. New equipment, sophisticated processing facilities and sustainable mining methods have brought a new life into the biggest pit. The biggest pit is tied to the future of the global diamonds. As the population grows, as the economies are expanded, the desire for these shiny stones also increases. The biggest pit, with its vast reserves, with effective activities, is well prepared to meet this growing demand. Mine expansion is not just about profits, it is also about people around the surrounding people. It is about providing jobs, opportunities and better future for the people of Eastern Serbia. Proof of human efforts. The biggest pit, which is a scar on earth, is a symbol of human ingenuity. This is a proof of our ability to bend nature forces to our will, gather value from the earth and turn raw materials into beautiful objects. Standing on the edge of the biggest pit, looking at what is happening below, it is not surprising. We are surprised to see the size of the activities, the power of the machinery, and the dishonest attempts of men and women who work here. The biggest pit reminds us that we are not the only quiet observers of the universe. We are actively involved. We are exploring, inventor and creator. Diamonds emanating from this mine are special and beautiful. All of them are proof of the enormous ability of all of us.